Statistics show there are more than 11 million skateboarders worldwide, and it's never too late to learn. Skate coach Nicole Pothen is showing us 3 tips even for beginners like me to rule at the skate park.
As long as you can still walk, you can start. Thank you.
First up, you must suit up properly.
You're gonna want jeans, just so in case you're falling, you're not getting the skin. Elbow pads, knee pads, and helmet.
Man, I feel like a transformer. Why do I have to wear all this stuff and you don't?
I'm teaching the basics here, and I've been doing all this for a while. I have a little more idea what I'm doing.
Next, for the perfect motion, push like you're gliding.
It's like if you're canoeing, you push to the side. So same thing with the skateboard, you want to make sure you're on the side of the board giving it a push rather than you don't want to be right in front because your foot will clip the front of it. So if you just do it to the side, shift your body and you get onto it, it levels your balance. Yeah, there you go, good job.
Just make sure you practice a few times before skating off into the sunset.
There you go. Are you okay?
I'm okay. Thank God for the knee pads. I'm ready for war.
The next skateboard secret, use your back foot as your brake.
All right, ready? There's a bear, stop! Take the foot you push off, which is your back foot, just slowly set it on the ground, and you can ease into a stop, or you can just stomp it down and stop.
Worst coming to worst?
Yes, perfect, exactly.
And finally, we all can't be Tony Hawk, so make sure you don't get too fancy with tricks until you're ready.
Right now, I'm gonna carve around the bowl, just do a little quick little carve.
All right, I'm right behind you.
I'm gonna pump the brakes on that one. We'll get fancy later. Think about if you were gonna start hiking. You're not gonna start on Mount Everest, so you gotta take baby steps.
Mastering the basics of boarding on The Breakdown.